Salut, ça va? I hope everybody is fine. Welcome back to the channel. This is Afariwa, and this is a little bit of introduction to a new page name that is going to be changed in a minute. So for all our old subscribers, this is to just give you a heads up that the old content that we used to create is not going to be, continued for the reason of, life changing Afariwa. Yes. So I say that even if you don't know your purpose in life, when you become a mother, your life is going to have a turn around, and you're going to actually have a good purpose right after motherhood. That is not to say that if you haven't being on the journey of carrying a pregnancy, bringing forth new babies, or nurturing babies, that doesn't mean that you don't have a purpose. But what I am trying to say is that life will actually begin when you have kids at your disposal. And so yes, when I had not put to bed, when I had not become a mother yet, I decided that I was going to talk to people about my journey or my experiences with beauty pageants. Now I'm going to put that on hold. After several dialogue and talking with my husband, we have agreed that we're going to share our journey on the progress that our kids are making. Honestly speaking, when we see the progress that our almost 2.5 years daughter is putting up, it just gives us joy to document it and share with our family online. And hopefully, now that the world has become more of a digital age, they can hopefully look back and see the beautiful memories that they shared once they were kids. And so yes, if you're an old subscriber, I welcome you. If you're a new person viewing my video for the very first time, I entreat you to subscribe and become part of the family. And our name is going to change from Afariwa, the Eastern Ambassador, to Mummy's Ambassador. So what I am calling myself is that I am the Mummy's Ambassador. No matter who you are as a mother, I am your ambassador. Get it? Let it stick in there. But I mean, that's just by the way. Yeah, so what are we going to be doing? Yes, we'll share our journeys, with Kislev. Kislev is my first daughter. She is 2.5 years. She will turn 3 in December. And yes, we have, put so many videos out on our phone, and we love to, bring it out here in the internet space, and share some personal tips and certain personal hacks and personal opinions on parenting. Every child, like I say, is different from each other, and so treating them the same will not work. What might probably work with Kislev is not going to work with Lisa, my second daughter, who is 4 months old. And so just a bit also about my camera. Now I'm going to be using more of my phone because, as a mother of two, my hands are already tied on. There's lack of time at my hands, and so I make use of the little time that is available to me. And so editing and videoing will be much easier on my phone than putting the camera together. With time, hopefully, when the girls are much older, we can have the space, to do camera setup and probably a proper studio designated for this purpose. Having said that, yes, remember to leave a comment, and if there's anything that specifically you want us to touch on, do let us know. There's so much to know, there's so much to experience. Let me just make you what's your appetite? There's a video of my small girl speaking tree and communicating effectively, and she even started reading before she is going to turn 2.5 next month. In June, she's going to be 2.5 years, but I can tell you that she has already started reading some words, and she's already started counting from 1 to 50 in our local dialect. And I'm sure this is something that you would want to, look up onto. So yeah, this is for mothers in the diaspora, mothers of color, black women. We are strong, we're bold. And so if you find yourself one way or the other, you know, um, things have turned around, you became pregnant, and so you had to stay at home, to do one or two things, for the kids, possibly you were thinking that you were a career woman, but when the child came, you decided that, let me just put my career on hold and look after this wonderful kid that I've brought in future. I've brought, to join my family and, see what the future holds for them. Then this page is actually for you. So you don't want to miss out a thing. Do subscribe, do leave a comment, do share, so that the page or the family is going to grow and to blossom. And see you in the next video. If there's something that you want me to touch on, do leave it in the comment section, and we're just going to do absolutely that. And so for the break, for those who didn't know that I was on break, I started this vlogmas thing last year. So it was because of my second born. I think I ended somewhere on the 6th or 7th of December. It was because on the 9th we welcomed our second baby, and we're not in the position to continue those videos. And so I'll catch you in the next one. Salut.